Well, I'm just having all the luck in this world with this vlog that I'm trying to put together. Yesterday I totally did an intro to it, and I went to go edit today, and it had recorded the wrong way, and I couldn't use it. I couldn't rotate it, and I went to get on my computer, and my video editing software was all messed up. So I had to uninstall that from my computer and other programs and stuff. And this is a mess. I'm just gonna try to get this done. But this video is most likely just gonna be edited on the iMovie software on my iPhone, because that's what life is doing. It's throwing frozen lemons at my face.
I'm about to try when I first see this screen fall.
Anyway, welcome to the vlog. Anyway, so at this point I had dropped the screw head into the car and I had to retrieve it, and thankfully I've got tiny hands. Yay, tiny hands. Woohoo. I wish I was this fast in real life. Like, honestly, this took me forever to do. And the screws were being tough to get out, and I had to be careful not to drop the screw head again. Oh, it was so fun. No.
Icky air.
So, obviously a square and a circle don't fit in the same hole. So I have to go back to the auto store now and see what happened. I'm sad. I thought this was gonna be easy on me. Well, we now have to go to Dunsmore to get the receipt out of Dad's truck for the old filter, so that maybe we can replace it with another one, depending on the money. But we'll see. Dude's going to lunch now, so we gotta find something to do for an hour. Yay. Well, that was fun. I had to spend an extra $20 to get the right air filter, and it's not gonna be here till Tuesday. Lovely. Okay, well, despite most of my day being a bust, I finally figured out the windshield wipers and got them installed. So, go me. Anyway, that was a fun little car adventure there. Now on to the things that you really want to see, which is peeling plastics off of things. Unfortunately, when we did this video, something screwed up with the recording and it cut off, and we thought we were still recording, and we couldn't really put the plastics back on to repeel them. So I am very sorry that it gets cut short. I promise you will have all the plastic peeling satisfaction that I can provide in this half. But yeah, we did this one a while ago, and I intended on making it its own vlog, but once I saw that things didn't pan out how they should have, I just never got around to it. Enjoy! Today, we're peeling plastics off of things, because we know everybody loves that on the internet. And also, excuse our messy house. We're still moving in. Satisfaction.
You want this one?
No, I'll take the next one.
You're waiting for the biggers. The biggins.
Do you have to make creepy?
I do, it's so good. Oh. What's next?
We've got a remote and a thing in our room. Okay.
No sound effects.
No sound effects from me.
But it's not the same. You almost had a sound effect there.
Almost.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, can you do this?
I was just gonna take these.
Is it recording? You gotta cut it. Literally just not have any tape or nothing holding it up.
I say I take the top edge and you take the bottom edge.
But you're gonna bring it across and I'm gonna be in the way. You wanna do that side and we pull down?
Yes. You need to go that way.
What?
I need to move, like, so that you're, there you go.
But then people see my face.
Okay, let's see my face.
Yeah, but people like your face.
No, they don't.
Oh, whatever. It doesn't matter. We're doing this. Oh,
Brain.
oh, it's so good. So dirty. Boy, it feels so good. It's so dirty.
Babe.
I'm drooling. Oh, yeah. Oh. And why are you getting in the way?
Because you were gone.
So you had faith in me and then decided that you were no longer going to have faith after 2 seconds. Well, it's good to know that my wife has 2 seconds of faith. You gonna take it?
Yep. It's just wait for you to this side. and bring it over here. Don't take it off the tripod there.
I wasn't planning on it.
Just getting close to this. Ooh, the sound. I should just stop right there and just cut it. Cut the video right there.
No. Alright, so back to this. Great, now I can't friggin' tell what. No, you take forever to do it.
Because I do it right.
Okay. Oh no. They installed it, but the tape goes behind here.
You need me to get it? Oh.
You can't. That was my point.
I know what's happening. I can just stay there for a second.
Got it. All in one piece together.
Good job. So anyways, there's that vlog. Car problems and peeling plastics. How fun. So, sorry this is the first vlog I've put out in a month. I know it's really bad of me. Now hopefully I can get it to upload smoothly and not mess it up. But I hope you enjoy, and I'm going to try really hard to work on putting out more and getting my computer back up and running so that I don't have to do it like this. Love you all, and have a great day.